Hi, my name is Denton Jackson, and I'm talking about my new invention, the Hotline Clamp Adapter. This is a connector casting clamp with the Hotline Clamp Adapter incorporated into it. Screw-on stirrup. We'll work on regular stirrups. I've been a lineman for 24 years. This is a problem in our industry with hotline clamps twisting off. I believe this is a solution to the problem. Your clamp is placed on the stirrup like this. The plastic arm keeps the hotline clamp from twisting while installing. While you're tightening it up, it holds it in place. Secure clamp makes good connection on your stirrup. At this point, if you need to, from removing your hotline clamp out of service, you can just remove the stirrup and all by loosening the stirrup off and replacing it with the screw-on stirrups. Here we have the connector casting large hotline clamp with the hotline clamp adapter on it without the arm. This one can go directly on your conductor with your armor rods placed onto your wire with a long stick and then tightened up. It can be a big help to the line industry and their department.